In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Kucoin. Whether you're wrapping up your trading sessions or simply ensuring your account security, knowing how to log out properly is essential. So, let's walk through the steps together to make sure you can do this swiftly and securely. First things first. Let's navigate to the Kucoin platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Kucoin website by typing in www.kucoin.com. Once you've landed on the homepage, you need to look for the login section if you're not already logged in. So, go ahead and click on the login button. This is where you'll enter your credentials, which of course, you should keep secure and not share with anyone. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. This is the hub of all your trading activities, where you can monitor your portfolio and explore various coins and trading pairs. But today, we're focusing on the task of logging out, so the next step is to locate your profile section. Move your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see a profile icon or possibly your username displayed. Click on this area to access your account details. This menu is crucial as it contains various options related to your account, including your profile settings, balances, and security preferences. Being familiar with this menu not only helps you with logging out, but also assists you in managing your account efficiently. Now, within the profile menu, you'll see an option labeled Log Out. It's usually toward the bottom of the drop-down list. Clicking on Log Out is how you ensure a secure exit from the platform, which is particularly important when using a shared or public device. Confirm that you'd like to log out if prompted, and you'll be safely disconnected from your account. It's always a good practice to log out when you're done using any account, especially those involving financial transactions. This safeguards your information and keeps your account secure. If you ever find that you cannot locate the logout option, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser's cache. Sometimes this helps in resolving display issues. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to log out of your Kucoin account. Remember to implement good security habits like regular password changes and enabling two-factor authentication to enhance the protection of your account. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Stay secure and happy trading.